welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hello, my name is Candace and I post videos on lifestyle, beauty, and I also do some vlogging. If that sounds like something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. So today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this super cute DIY picnic table that I put together for my daughter's first birthday. Initially, we were going to do the big birthday party. It's her first birthday. Hello. But with the numbers going up with COVID and us literally just recovering from COVID, I figured that wasn't going to be the best idea. So we decided to just keep it very, very intimate with like just our family. We just stayed in our own little bubble. Ricky put some food on the grill and we ate outside. It was a great day. And for those of you who don't know, I do event planning and I have been dying to try out this cute, low profile picnic table look. So I figured, you know what? This looks fairly simple. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. So disclaimer, I am not a professional, I'm not a carpenter, so I'm sure there is probably a better way to achieve this look, but this is just the way that I did it. It worked for me, so hey, if you're interested in checking that out, go ahead and keep watching. I started out by laying everything flat. I basically put the table together upside down so I could get a good visual on exactly how it's supposed to look before I screwed all my nails in. And I'm using 4-foot pieces of wood for my tabletop as well as the sides and 3-foot pieces on the ends. These are the nails that I decided to use. I'm sure there are other ones that can probably be used, but those are the ones that I used. Once I had everything laid flat, I went ahead and started screwing in my nails, starting with the frame. As I'm doing this, I noticed that my measurements are off. So I got this wood pre-cut at Home Depot. Before bringing it home, I gave them my measurements and I did not check the measurements before I left the store. So this happened. Okay, so this is like what the table's supposed to look like, but this is the table upside down, okay? And I'm gonna actually, it's not nailed together. The only thing that I nailed together so far is these two, and then I stopped because I noticed that it's a lot of uneven pieces. So I can work with these boards here because it is going to be a very rustic feel and it doesn't have to be perfect. That's fine. But if I nail this where it is, it's going to be a gap right there. So what I'm going to do is go to Home Depot, see if I can get just a handsaw to take off these extra pieces that aren't even. And again, I got this cut at Home Depot and I just told them my measurements. So I should have double checked everything before I left and I didn't. And I need to also cut these pieces as well. It's kind of like supports it. This is gonna kind of like support it, so I do need to cut these pieces as well. If you have like a handsaw or I don't know, what do they use, jigsaws? I don't know, I'm not a carpenter, but if you have stuff at home already that can do this like easy, then you know this will be a breeze. But I don't have any type of saw, whether it's a handsaw, a circular saw, a jigsaw, whatever saw. I don't have any of that. So it makes it a little bit more difficult for me. So I'm going to go to Home Depot now, see what I can get for pretty inexpensive, and then we'll finish up. I ended up coming to Harbor Freight, and I'm going to just go ahead and get one of these hand saws. And I think I'm going to get a hacksaw too. I don't know if I'm going to need it. Let's see. Reach tight spots. Make flush cuts, make straight cuts longer than saw's throat. The power and control of a traditional hacksaw from blade. I don't know what that means. Hardened steel blade with, I don't know what I'm
Is this the blade or is it covered? Am I gonna cut myself?
So I ended up just getting a regular hand saw, and oh my gosh, y'all, this was a workout. I didn't know that hand saws like require so much physical strength. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using this again. Once I finished cutting the wood using the hand saw, I went ahead and finished screwing in all of the wood framing my table. Because using this hand saw was so much work, I took a break in between, and then I went back to cut the little pieces that are going to stabilize the table, and went ahead and screwed those into place. And this basically is going to kind of support all of the wood planks that are going across the table. These were cut about 1 inch less than 3 feet, and I have 2 of them. Okay guys, I just wanted to jump back on here really quick because I realized that I did not capture a very crucial part. So the way that the planks are going across the table this way, you want to make sure that you put a nail in each of the planks from the outer frame, if that makes sense. So put a screw in each plank to secure it to the frame. I hope that made sense. Let's get back to the video. At this point, your table is practically done. You just need to go ahead and screw in all the legs. I cut my wood into 1-foot pieces for the legs that I wanted for my table. I did want it to be a very low profile picnic table. You can do yours as tall or as short as you like. And you just need to go around and secure all of your legs to the table. I started out with just screwing 2 screws for each of them, but once I flipped the table over, I realized that it wasn't as sturdy as I thought, so I ended up adding more screws. And so this is the finished product. I absolutely love how it came out. I do plan on eventually staining it. I'll probably do like a whitewash situation, but for now I'm satisfied with my results. And again, you guys, I am not a professional, so if I can do this, you can do it as well. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.